still some spooky theme in it. So you got the high ropes course over there. Still some spooky theming down there. Don't know why they're still here. Yeah, but look at that rock work. That is good. That's some nice hashtag rock work. If you know what I mean. But yeah, wow, the dragon. That's a nice dragon. Here we go into Fantasy Island. Here we go.